this is a good first step, both on the substantive merits and on the psychological relief it gives to the American people in general and to small business people and community bankers and others who can start doing things that will help get better in particular.
Having made that psychological break, that decision that he will not be running again, I think the most important for him to ask himself, for the Egyptian government to ask itself, as well as the opposition to ask itself, is how do we make that transition effective and lasting and legitimate? And as the great Shirley Chisholm once said, the emotional, sexual, and psychological stereotyping of females begin when the doctor says it's a girl. And that has consequences for all of us, whether we're men or women, black, white, gay, straight, transgender, or otherwise.